Today I'm making vegan unicorn meringue kisses. How adorable are these? If you're new to my channel Cake and you enjoy this type of content, then I hope you subscribe at the end of this video. Now let's start with this recipe. For this recipe, I'm using Aquafaba, which is the same thing as chickpea water, the chickpea water that you get out of a can when you buy chickpeas. I've drained 2 cans of chickpeas and kept the water in the fridge overnight. The next day I'm weighing out 125 milliliters, which is about 1.5 cups, and I'm beating this in my stand mixer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I add about half a cup of sugar, just a little bit more than that, and 1 pack of vanilla sugar. Then I let the stand mixer do its job for another 5 minutes. Then I'm ready to begin piping my meringue kisses the same way you would do it with egg white meringue. I'm using a large tip with a circular opening, and I'm just piping about 20 white meringue kisses. I had set some of the meringue aside and colored it in yellow, pink, and turquoise. I'm piping these, or just putting them on top of a little bit of piece of foil, and wrapping this to form like a long sausage and placing this inside of a pastry bag with a small star-shaped tip. My meringue kisses now just have to dry, so for that I'm placing them in a preheated oven at 100 degrees Celsius or 210 degrees Fahrenheit for 75 minutes. After that, I'm going to turn off the oven and leave them in there for another 30 minutes. The result are these perfect meringue kisses, the same way you would expect them with egg white. Now it's just left for the decoration of these meringue kisses. So I have a very thin brush and I'm using black gel food coloring to draw on the eyebrows. And I'm facing the same exact problem that I do with my own eyebrows or when I'm applying eyeliner. I'm able to do one side and the other side I kind of struggle with. Once I'm done applying the eyebrows to these unicorns, I give them a little bit of blush, and I'm using food coloring in powder form. And all that's left to do now is to color the horns. So I'm applying some gold gel food coloring and just coloring the tip of these kisses. And I'm done with my vegan unicorn kisses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.